In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the code 4.3 error on your Nvidia eGPU. Let's get started with some initial checks to ensure everything's in place for a smooth troubleshooting experience. First things first, let's confirm that everything you're using is compatible. It's crucial to make sure that both your monitor and graphics card are up to date. This means checking if any updates are needed for your Nvidia graphics card, and also ensuring that it's supported by your Windows operating system version. This can save you a lot of headaches right from the start. Additionally, dive into your monitor's on-screen display, commonly referred to as the OSD. This is where you can adjust your display settings, and it's always good to verify everything looks correct and is functioning as expected. Once you've sorted out compatibility, press the Windows key and the R key simultaneously on your keyboard. This will open the Run dialog box. Here, you'll want to type in dev.msc and hit Enter. This command opens the Device Manager, which is where you can confirm if your graphics components are running as they should be. Within the Device Manager, navigate to the section for your Nvidia graphics card. You want to see if there are any issues or troubleshoot notifications associated with it. Next, let's tackle the Nvidia drivers, which are often a common factor when dealing with graphics issues. Outdated or corrupted drivers can lead to all sorts of problems. To update your drivers, head over to the Nvidia website. Here, you can download the latest drivers specific to your graphics card model. After the download completes, make sure you follow through with the installation process. These updated drivers can resolve many issues and improve overall performance. Once you've updated your drivers, it's a good idea to check the Nvidia control panel. You can access this by right-clicking on your desktop and selecting Nvidia Control Panel from the context menu that appears. Within the control panel, check for any additional software updates and install them if available. If you find that you're still encountering problems, don't worry, there are additional troubleshooting steps to try. Surprisingly, a simple restart of your computer can sometimes clear up these technical glitches. Should the issues persist, consider completely reinstalling your Nvidia drivers. Another often overlooked aspect is your Windows updates. Ensure your operating system is fully updated, as missing updates can lead to conflicts with hardware. Lastly, make sure that your antivirus, including firewalls or tools like Malwarebytes, are temporarily disabled. These can sometimes interfere with Nvidia drivers during installation or operation. If after all these steps, you're still facing issues, it might be time to reach out to Nvidia support. They can provide specialized assistance tailored to your specific situation. Following these steps should help you resolve the code 4.3 error and get your eGPU up and running smoothly again.